Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a very useful tool in a very simple, efficient and compact form. We will make a water level alarm. Let's first draw the diagram of the water level tester. So everything will be in a box or a rectangular housing. There will be a buzzer on top or bottom of the box. The buzzer has two positive and one negative wire. We can use any positive wire to make sound with buzzer. There will be a 9-volt battery to power this tool. There will be a BC547 transistor to control the buzzer sound. Emitter of the transistor will be connected to negative of 9-volt battery. Collector of the transistor will be connected to negative wire of buzzer. There will be a 100 kilo ohms transistor, of which one side will be connected to tongue of the alarm and another side will be connected to positive of battery. Base of transistor will be connected to another tongue of our water level alarm. So there will be two tongues of the water level alarm. Now let's connect things together and make it work. So this is 9-volt battery. Let's connect one red wire to positive side and one black wire to negative side. Another side of black wire we will connect to emitter of BC547 transistor. Collector of transistor we will connect to green wire. Other side of green wire we will connect to negative of buzzer. Other side of red wire we will connect to positive of buzzer. We will also connect a 100 kilo ohms resistor to same side of red wire. Another side of resistor we will connect to one side of yellow wire. Now if we make the other side of yellow wire touch base of transistor, then it will make buzzer active. So our circuit is working as per our requirement. Now let's solder things together so that we can keep everything in a compact housing. So this is how our final product looks, and let's see how it works. If we dip it into water and the two-tongue of alarm makes contact with water, the buzzer gets active. Let's try few more times. We can see our water level alarm is working perfectly. We can also hang it like this, and when water will reach tongue, alarm will make sound. I hope you found this video informative. Do check out calsob.com for home automation products at reasonable price. Link in description.